What's going on, fellas? It's another fluffy repair. Not even fluffing around. Got a whole box of goodies right there. Y'all remember that booster? Man, that booster gave me hell. Anyways, we're about to tear into it on this video. So if y'all want, stick around. Hey, just like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There's a super thanks button down there in the description. I also got links in the description if y'all want to check some stuff out. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, as normal, we got Noisy Pants over there with damn noisy ass impact. Anyways, we ain't gonna let him ruin the fun. We're gonna take the intake plenum off, then we're gonna take the dry belt assembly off. And then we're gonna get this thing hopefully situated, because there's a lot of stuff going on with this. Man, I don't even. Anyways, let's get to it. Put an aftermarket hose on here. What the hell is this? Fuel line? Y'all, can you see this? Cameraman, can you zoom in on this? Thank you. I don't even go there. Just kidding, guys. I don't have a cameraman. I just hand in on it. Tricks of the trade. What the hell is this? AM sensor? This shit's not even plugged in. Cameraman, zoom in on this one again. Damn. Working on stuff after there's somebody else. That is crazy. Ignite me, call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change, I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. I see that. Oh, leak right there? I don't know, y'all can. Should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you
gonna be a misfire. Wow. I have to see if I have another one of these.
I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna take bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate bitch, you know where to find me. If you're going hate bitch, you can fucking fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this.
One down, one to go. Man, look at that. Looks like an all right there. Wow. Crazy thing about these trucks, you take care of them, they will last. I mean, look, it is an 05, you know, and it's gonna still keep on pushing. It's gonna keep on still going. You see, there's not fucking no sludge. That's good. We'll move on to my next project. We'll let that chill there for a second. Gotta take this tensioner off.
Are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand.
If I have to remove this fan to get this out, I will be highly
All the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king.
OE? Non-OE. What's the difference? Look at the position of the belt. Can y'all tell how much this one sticks out?
The crown. Off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down.
Alright guys, so along with y'all should have seen. Let me show y'all right here. So y'all don't think I'm bullshitting. Watch this clip. Taking a look at that dry belt tensioner, it is wobbling. Also, the belt is riding on the edge of that tensioner. And if I compare it to another vehicle, you can see that the dry belt on this one is semi-centered. Now, as you can see on your dry belt tensioner, the dry belt is riding on the edge of the port. So that was from the vehicle inspection that I did. Okay. This thing, for some reason, was like wobbling, right? It was wobbling. And the dry belt was not sitting right on here. Now I told the customer I need to replace that because it's not aligned right. I don't know if the noise is gonna fix. It's gonna fix the noise, but I can check the pulleys. Power steering, it sounds good. This one concerned me a little bit. don't know if y'all can hear that. Come a little closer, closer. Okay, look, check this out. Y'all hear that? Should not sound like that. So I will give him the option to replace that tensioner as well. Go ahead and take it off, and then I won't. Oh God, I won't charge him for that since I'm already here.
And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Better, look guys, better sound.
It's nicer to have that because if I'm flat outside, as far as stuff, and I can't get a hose out there,
Had I,
have an air up while I'm waiting.
that's why we charge to diagnose vehicles. This one wasn't charged for diagnosis. It was a visual inspection, and that's what I found right now. Crazy. I even sprayed some stuff up in there, and yeah. Thumbnail.
Y'all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Underground streets. I'm from that deuce down, that countdown, that 210, yeah, that's A-Town. A lot of black and browns, don't joke with clowns, and we stay strapped on every side of town. Sit big mo as we blaze up, 92 to 2010.
Again, guys. Ooh, it was really leaking right here. All along right there. Dang. Woo! Guys, that is it for the teardown of this video. We got valve covers, we got tensioner, idler pulley, which I just found. Anyways, if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment if you're not already. There's a tip jar down beneath. It says thanks with a heart and $sign. Yeah, tip your boy if you want. All right, you don't have to. Just it's a much appreciated. Goes back into the channel. Donations are welcome. Whew. As I said, subscribe, view these videos right here. Thank y'all. Have a good day.
Money is long, that's probably why these out of staters tell me that they miss home. Don't get it wrong, it's always shit to be done. Why the fuck these out of towners thinking we ain't got guns? Hey, I try to tell them when you're up in the